What's up, it's your boy Pedro, and we're back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing the most request mod that I've been getting asked like since forever to do, like since I got the car. We're gonna be dropping it. We got some coilovers right now, true Hart. So I was gonna pull up to my homeboy shop after work, but he said he gonna pull up, come pick up the car. I don't trust nobody driving my car, so. But yeah, he gonna pull up, come get the car. He gonna do it. Then when I get off of work, y'all can see the finished product. But right now, I'm about to show y'all how she actually looks, the stock ride height and everything. So let's get into it. As y'all can see, this is the stock height working with. See what the back looks like. So yeah, man, they're about to come pick it up. Other side. Way more gap. Show y'all the coilovers real quick. True Hart. Got him off my homeboy. He part of his G out. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing those bad boys. About to hit my boy Andy up. Tell him to come pick it up. Jeez. I'm ready, man. How y'all think it's gonna turn out though? I don't know. I don't know how slammed I'm gonna be, but we'll see. I'm trusting you with my shit, nigga.
Nigga, this is gonna be done, nigga.
Alright, bro. Hey.
This is gonna look different.
I know. Here.
Next time you see this car, nigga, they're gonna be slammed.
Oh God. Alright, bro.
I'll see you like an hour or two.
Alright, bet. Last look, the stock ride height. So we just pulled up to the shop. My boy Andy got the back done already. You can't tell the difference because it's on jack stands right now. But they got the rear done. You can see them. They're working on the front right now. They already took the coilovers off. I mean, the stock suspension. This one's done already. Yes, sir. 1 out of 10, how hard was it, bruh?
Yeah, 5, man.
5, all right. What you gotta do, just tighten it up, then put the wheel back on?
You gotta adjust it to make it taller and then put the other one on.
Okay, bet. Yeah. All right, guys, this is the next day. I'll show y'all the results of how it came out. Sorry about the background noise. I see this big highway right here, man. But yes, sir. As y'all can see, pretty low. That's how the fronts came out. Almost all the way to the ground, literally. y'all think? Literally no wheel gap whatsoever. Definitely can get the lower feeling though. When I get in the car, it's way lower to the ground. So yeah, man, this is gonna be the end of the video. Definitely more videos to come soon. Just got a package in the mail, so stay tuned for the next video if y'all want to see what we got going on, what the next mod is gonna be. Definitely something I've been waiting for though. So if y'all like the build, and like how it looks now that it's lowered, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. And we'll see y'all next time. We're out.